Good morning children. Welcome to today's class. We have seen in the previous topic about perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines I have explained you that they are intersecting lines forming 90-degree angle. So based on that, coming to exercise 5.5, that is some questions are written here as given in your exercise, that you have to tell which of these following are the models for perpendicular lines. Some examples are written here and you have to tell whether these are forming 90-degree angles, means perpendicular lines or not. Suppose the question, first question, the adjacent edges of a tabletop. Table everyone is knowing. So tabletop. So the top of the table, it is forming like this. So this corner, edge, this is the corner of the table. So it is forming 90-degree angle, means it is just like this perpendicular. So is it forming perpendicular line? Yes, it is forming. So you will write here yes or no along with the reasons also. So what you should write here? First you have to tell yes or no. So your answer will be yes. Why it is the adjacent of edges of a tabletop? Why are they perpendicular? Because, or you can write as it forms 90-degree angle. As it forms 90-degree angle. Edges means what? This is the one edge and this is the second edge. Forming 90-degree angle, this is the edges. This is the one edge, this is the second edge. Forming 90-degree angle. So yes, it is perpendicular because or as it forms 90-degree angle. So now the next one. The lines of a railway track. How a railway track? Railway track is in this way. So does it form a pair of perpendicular lines? Are they perpendicular to each other? No, they are parallel to each other. Parallel lines we have seen in the previous topic. They never intersect. So as they never intersect, they are parallel lines. So it cannot form the perpendicular lines. Model of perpendicular line it cannot be. So you will write here no, as they are parallel lines, or only parallel you can write, because as they are parallel. So railway track means first track, second track, they are parallel to each other. So you have to just write down no. No need to write complete sentence, only in simple way you will write down no, as they are parallel. So they do not form the perpendicular line. Next, the line segments forming the letter L. So as we have seen in the first one, tabletop. So this is the letter L. It is forming 90-degree angle. So yes, it is a perpendicular line. So you will have write down yes. Yes, as it forms 90-degree angle. As it forms 90-degree angle, so they are perpendicular to each other. This is the line segment. This is the first line segment. This is the second line segment. Forming 90-degree angle. So these two line segments are perpendicular to each other. So you write down yes, as it forms 90-degree angle. So these two line segments are perpendicular to each other. Next, the letter V. How is this letter V? Letter V is in this way. Letter V is in this way. As in the letter V. How is this letter V? Letter V is in this way. Do it forms 90-degree angle? No, it is less than 90-degree. It is not equal to 90-degree. So, it do not forms perpendicular to each other. So, you will write down no, as the angle is less than 90-degree. It is not equal to 90-degree. It is less than 90-degree. So the angle between them is less than 90-degree. So it is not perpendicular to each other. So again repeating once, you have to tell which of the following models are the examples of perpendicular lines. First, the tabletop. As you can see this board, just like a tabletop, you can see the corner. This is suppose first one edge. This is the second edge. So you are forming 90-degree angle. So it forms 90-degree angle. So it is an example of perpendicular lines. Railway track. Railway track, the two tracks are parallel to each other. So no, they do not form perpendicular line because they are parallel. Then the letter L. Letter L is just like this. So forming 90-degree angle here. So yes, as it forms 90-degree angle. The letter V. If you make the angle between these two lines or the line segments, so it will be less than 90-degree. It is not 90. So it is not perpendicular to each other. So this we have completed first question. Now the second. Second question is this. Let PQ, line segment PQ. So the two line segments are given, PQ and XY. And what is given? This PQ is perpendicular to XY. This is the symbol of perpendicular, as I have told in the definition. This is the symbol of perpendicular. So PQ is perpendicular to XY. And also it is given in the question. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. Intersect means they have to cross each other. So suppose this PQ and XY, they are intersecting, means crossing each other at the point A. Suppose this meeting point or intersecting point or crossing point. This is A. So what is asked here? What is the measure of angle PAY? So here is PAY. What will be the measurement here? You can see it is forming 90-degree angle because it is perpendicular to each other. In the definition also we have seen, and here letter L, here also we have seen forming 90-degree angle. So what you will write? What is the measurement of this angle PAY? Measurement of angle PAY is 90-degree. Only this much you have to write. Nothing else. Perpendicular. Since they are perpendicular, so the measurement is 90-degree. So this completes question number 2. Coming to the third question, there are two set squares in your box. In your geometry box, you are having two set squares. Having triangle one, that is called as set squares. So there are two types. Now, those two set squares, what are the measurement of the angles that are formed at their corners? It is written also. And if you do not see that written, through that protector you can just measure and find out. So this is the type of set squares you can see. This is one type of set square having in your geometry box, and this is the other type of set square having in your geometry box. Now it is asked in your question, what are the measures formed at their corners? Corners means at this where it is forming the angles. It is in the form of triangle. So this is first one corner, second corner and third corner. So it is asked, what is the angle formed at their corners? So angle formed at these angle corners of this first set square. This corner is 90-degree, and where it is very thin one, that is angle forming 30-degree, and little broader one, that is forming angle 60-degree. So the angles formed in the first type of set square is 30-degree, 60-degree and 90-degree. These are the angles formed in the first type of set square. So first set square, the measures of the angles that are formed at their corners are 30-degree, thinner one, and little broader one, that is 60-degree, and at the top corner you can see it is 90-degree. And in the second set square, which is the other triangular form you are having in your geometry box, at the top corner it is 90-degree, and at the bottom both are just you can see they are equal type. So that is 45 and 45-degree. So the second set square, the angles, the measurement of the angles formed are 45-degree, 45-degree, and the last top corner is the 90-degree. Now it is asked in your question that do you have any angle measure that is common? This is the measurement of the first set square and this is the measurement of the second set square. Are you having anything common? Yes, this 90-degree, 90-degree you are having common. So the common angle measurement in both these set squares are 90-degree, 90-degree. So you will have to write this sentence, that common angle measurement in both is 90-degree. So this question completed. This you can just see the set square, take it and do it practically also. Just draw the triangle just from the border of this and measure it through your protractor. And practically when you measure, you can get this 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and here 45, 45 and 90 degree. Then you can practically find it that 90 degree is common in both. So just to do it practically also, and this is the way of writing in your notebook. This way you will be noting down in your notebook. Now coming to the fourth question, study the diagram. One diagram is given. Line L is perpendicular to line M. So this is the line L. In the chapter 4 we have seen that line segment, all these we have seen in chapter 4. So line is just can be denoted using small alphabets. So this is a small alphabet given line L, and this is given small alphabet line M. So this is the line L and this is the line M. They are just intersecting each other, means crossing each other. So when they are crossing each other, it is crossing through E, which is the fifth point, and one point P is given on the line M. Now what is asked in this question? Line L is perpendicular to line M. This is the line L and this is the line M. They are intersecting each other. Now what is asked? Is CE equal to EG? First you find out where is CE and where is EG. This is CE and it is EG. Directly you cannot find out, just count how many units or how many gaps are there in between. This is the first gap and this is the second gap. So you can say 2 units are there. So 2 units for CE. And where is EG? This is 1 unit and this is the second unit. 2 units are there for EG also. So 2 units and 2 units for EG and 2 units for CE also. So yes, they are equal. So you can just write down, this is for rough only, 2 units and 2 units here also. So you will have to just write down, yes, they are equal. So CE is equals to EG. Here 1 unit, this is second unit. Here 1 unit, this is the second unit. So yes, they are equal. Now the second part. Does PE bisect CG? What is the meaning of bisect? Bisect, bi means 2, sect means section. Means dividing into 2 equal parts. So does PE bisect CG? First you find out where is PE. This is the point P, this is E. So this is PE bisect. Bisect means dividing into 2 equal parts. CG, where is CG? This is C and this is G. Dividing into 2 equal parts. So you have to just find out, is that equal? CE and EG, they are equal? Yes, in the first part we have seen. Yes, they are equal. So this PE bisects CG. So bisecting CE and EG. So you will write down as CE is equals to EG. Therefore, PE, or you can write down yes, PE bisects CG. Therefore, yes, PE bisect CG. Because this PE is dividing CG into 2 equal parts. This is the one part, this is the one part, CE and EG. So this is one part and this is the second part. So dividing into 2 equal parts. So therefore, PE is bisecting CG into 2 equal parts. That is clear? Now, identify any 2 line segments for which PE is the perpendicular bisector. This is the line perpendicular. Perpendicular means forming 90 degree. And any other 2. This is the one. Any other 2 line segments you have to tell for which PE. This is the PE for which it is the perpendicular bisector. Means dividing into 2 equal parts. You take 1 unit, 1 unit. You take 2 unit, 2 unit. You take 3 unit and 3 unit. So for the 1 unit, what is that? DE is equals to EF. First part it can be DE and EF. DE is equals to EF. This is the first part, taking 1 unit. And taking 2 units, CE and EG. CE and EG. Taking 2 units. And taking 3 units. BE and EH. BE and EH. 3 I have written here, and since this 2 second part is already given in the question, you can take this one and this one. These are the 2 given, means we are finding out. For 1 unit, this is the 1 unit and this is the 1 unit. This is the 2 unit, this is the 2 unit. This is the 3 unit and this is the 3 unit. Like that you have to write down. So it is clear now. First part, how we got? Taking 1 unit. For this perpendicular line, this is the P. So we are not taking this P now. We are taking A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Only this we are taking. Now from E, we are taking 1 unit. D, E and E, F. That is 1 unit, D, E and E, F. Now taking 2 units. Taking 2 units, C, E and E, G. That is taking 2 units. Now taking 3 units. 1, 2, 3. That is B to E, 3 units, and E to H, 3 units. So BE is equals to EH. This is for 3 units. So this is for 1 unit, this is for 2 unit, and this is for 3 unit. The second one, it is already given in our question. So it is not necessary to write down. Only 2 are asked. Identify any 2 line segment. Only 2 are asked. So this first one and the third one you can write. If you write all the 3 also, no problem. Is it clear now?
No.
Now this fourth part, D part, are these true? You have to just see and find out, is this true? Now AC, find out where is AC. This is AC. How many units? 1 and 2. 2 units are there. It is greater than FG. Where is FG? F to G. It is 1 unit. 2 unit is greater than 1 unit. Yes, it is true. So you will write down here true. AC, it is 2 unit, and FG, it is 1 unit. 2 unit is greater than 1 unit, so it is true. Then CD, find out where is CD. C to D, it is 1 unit only. And where is GH? It is GH. It is also 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 1 unit, so they are equal. So it is also true. Then BC, where is BC? B to C, it is 1 unit. And EH, where is EH? E to H. 1, 2, 3. How many units? 3 units. So it is 1 unit and there are 3 units. 1 unit is less than the 3 units. So it is less than this greater 3 units. So yes, it is also true. So this completed fourth question. Everyone understood? Practically also you think, try to solve and just solve and complete this in your notes copy. So this we have completed exercise 5.5.